how to compile TypeScript files into JavaScript files. Firstly, you should have downloaded the TypeScript compiler. If you have not done this, then you should check out my YouTube video on it. Firstly, I'm going to create my index.ts file. Then I'm going to write an instruction console.log hello world. Don't forget the semicolon. I'm going to save the file. Now you'll notice how this is the exact same as the JavaScript instruction. This is because TypeScript is built on top of JavaScript, and as a result we say it is a superset of JavaScript. I'm now going to open my terminal like so, and I'm going to make sure that my video material folder is open, as this is where I'm storing my index.ts file. As you can see, I'm using Virtual Studio Code for this. You can use whatever IDE you want to. So now that my terminal is inside of the video material folder, I can run the command tsc index.ts. Now this compiles my index.ts file into an index.js file. And as you see, the exact same console.log instruction is here because it's a instruction in both JavaScript and TypeScript. So what if I was to declare a variable in TypeScript? Let's say I was going to define the variable age. So we'll have let age number equals, and we'll go 19. I'm 19, so we'll go that. Once again, I'll save the file. I'll go back into my terminal and I write tsc index.ts and I'll run it. Now, when we check out my index.js file, we'll see that it's got var age equals 19. This is because JavaScript is a dynamic typing language. This means that you do not need to define the data type of each variable when you define the variable, and that you can change the data type of each variable after it's already been defined. However, in TypeScript, you have to keep it that data type. Once it's a number, it's always a number. Now, that's me showing you how to compile TypeScript files into JavaScript files and the differences between the two languages at a very basic level. In further videos, we'll go into more detail beyond this, and as a result, you'll be able to understand the differences and the advantages of using TypeScript over JavaScript even better. I've been Will. Thank you very much.